Hello! I haven't vlogged in so long, but I thought that maybe I would vlog because we're in Drumheller and this is one of our favorite places other than like Banff and stuff. So we are hitting up Walmart right now. Yeah, they have like a ghetto ass little Walmart. It's not a super center, but I forgot my Nikes and it's kind of hard to go hiking with those shoes. So hopefully I find myself a pair of hiking shoes or running shoes, whatever, just running shoes I guess, but I figured I would bring you guys along and for this weekend because I'm super excited. Are you sweating already?
Yep. Oh, his cheek is full.
These peeps getting turned up.
I still want to try that.
Are you steering somewhere?
Yeah, I gotta go get some coal. I think I'm gonna get a speeding ticket. Oh, Hell's Angels.
Jokes?
Swing, better, swing.
On live its own.
Just teeing up for the shot.
It'll stay still.
We've pulled the goalie. Oh, right off the crossbar. Oh,
Can he do better than me? Chokes. Nope. Oh my. Oh, 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 oh.
oh.
Oh. Brad, what are you doing?
Picking Saskatoon berries.
You're picking berries in our campsite.
I'm making pancakes tomorrow.
Dodge wants a berry.
Black Hawk down.
Brad, what did you just say?
I said, when I found out you forgot your scale, you could have gotten high and ate bad food last night.
But we didn't because I thought I was going to be weighing in. Man, I'm chapped. I'll have to weigh in tomorrow anyway.
Now we can get high this morning and eat bad food all day.
Oh my god, I'm not getting high. Good morning. It is day 2 in Drumheller. So we have a couple stops today to make, so we will take you on with us.
Don't ask me to take pictures of you because I will drop your phone down.
I didn't wear my hiking shoes. We decided to take a really hard path down here, and then it goes all the way down here, and we're kind of dying. I'm out of breath, aren't we?
Oh, this will be a shortcut to the truck. I think this goes down too.
Cactuses. Didn't think I'd be off-roaded today.
Hold on, we're gonna punch it, Chewy.
Oh no.
No, we have to. Let's do that.
Just stopped for some lunch, and we get to look at this view while we eat, which is pretty cool. on today's adventure of what are we doing? Horseshoes.
Jokes.
Good job. We're at the campsite and they got all that stuff. We did that mini golf yesterday. This is I really like this campground though. Ending off the night with some Christmas Simpsons apparently, because it is one of the few DVDs that we have in the trailer right now. So we love the Simpsons, so it's okay.